What proportion of overall non-R&D costs are represented by Goodman's Foods and Waves in 2018 in pounds? Give your answer to one decimal place. First, we need to know the overall non-R&D costs. So here are the R&D costs. We want to calculate normal costs, which we'll find by taking turnover and subtracting profit. And then we can take away the R&D costs from there. So for example, for Hatchet, I'll represent that with a H. We first take the turnover, that's 435, all of these are in millions. Subtract profit, that's 356, to leave us with the overall costs. Then subtract the R&D costs, which leaves us with 14 million in pounds. We'll do the same thing for the other three. So now we have all of the non-R&D costs, however they're all in different currencies. We need them in pounds, as given here, so we need to convert both this one and this one into pounds. So first, for Goodman's Foods, we have $259 million. We need to convert that into pounds. We've got the exchange rates here. So $1.4 is £1, so we divide by 1.4 to get 185 million pounds. The same thing for Waves. We have 161 million euros, and we'll divide by 1.15 to leave us with 140 million pounds. Next, we need to know what proportion of overall costs, overall non-R&D costs, are represented by these two here. So first, let's figure out the overall non-R&D costs. That's the sum of these four numbers when they're all in pounds. So 14 million, 185, 164, and 140. And we want to see what Goodman's Foods and Waves are in total, which are both of these together. That's 185 million plus 140 million, which is 325 million. Now we just need to calculate what proportion of this total the 325 million represents. So that's 325 million divided by 503 million, then multiplied by 100 to express it as a percentage, which is 64.6% to one decimal place.